Hi guys, I'm Ala and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. In today's video I invite you to paint a beautiful rose in watercolors. It will be a 5 minutes exercise to learn how to paint a beautiful rose. For this we will need an A6 size watercolor paper, some watercolor paints, a paintbrush and water. I start with finding out the best red color that I would like to use for this flower, and I will add a little bit of yellow into the mixture. This will be the base color. As far as you notice, I just create the form of this rose, and it is important that the color stays light. We add a lot of water that the color stays transparent as well. Meanwhile, the first layer is drying. I will take some olive green. You can use any green you have. You can add to any green some yellow color to get this lighter color. And I go for leaves of this flower. Add any green color as you wish. Later on, in any case, I will add some darker colors to these leaves and leave your creativity to flow. Once I finish with the base color, with the lighter one, I will use some darker green color or even blue color. I would like to add some cooler shades to this work. And meanwhile the paper is still wet, I'm adding these darker shades of blue and green color. I want to create the losing effect. I want that the leaves have different colors and that the layers are mixing up one into another. Somewhere where the paper went dried already, we see that the edges are stronger and not as smooth as when we work with wet on wet technique. Why I like to add the wet on wet? Because in this way we see the transition from darker color to lighter color in a very easy way. Somewhere I add simply just darker color because I want to add more greenery outside of the flower. We leave the work to dry, or if you want you can use a hairdryer to dry your first layer. I will be working on the second layer, mainly on the flower. In my case the paper is dried already and I don't need to dry it. I use a thinner paintbrush. In my case it is size number 4 synthetics, and I use more of red color that I used earlier for the mixture with yellow color. This time I'm not mixing with any other color. I just take the red color that I started from the beginning, and later on I add some darker shapes. If your red is dark enough from the beginning, then use only this one. In my case it is light enough, and I add some English red to add more intensity. We go from the center to the outside, and I paint like half moons. If you pay attention, it is not exactly like a half moon, but it is a wavy sides. And we start with smaller details, with smaller half moons in the center, and going with bigger half moons at the outside. Even on the outsides, even if I apply so much color, later on I will take some plain water to make the color to have a losing effect. In the inside of the flower, yes, indeed, I add some strong edges, strong color, and even darker color. And now on the outside, what I did, I took some plain water and some lighter color to add some kind of difference, some of the running effect on the work. Adding some very last details on the flower, and later I will add some details on the leaf too to finish this work. If you feel like you need more details to add more details. It's about more practicing this type of flower till you get the desired result. adding some more details to the leaves. If you wish, you can leave the work as it was, or if you want, you can add some details to the leaves too. In my case, I enjoyed adding some details to the greenery. And that's it, the work is done. I hope you enjoyed the process of painting with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to like this video, and to share it with other artists that would enjoy painting with me. Thank you for watching, and till the next time, bye!